Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic in Indus Silver. It's a 4.4 V8 diesel. It's next due for a service in August 2021 and has previously had one owner. You have a 22-inch silver finish alloys, privacy glass, a powered tailgate, which is great if you've got your hands full. Plenty of space there in the back, but you can also put the seats down if you need more room. You also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one, and can be discreet if you want it to be. And you can close the boot using a button there. Carrying on around the car, you do also have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle, I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Illuminated aluminium Range Rover script tread plates and a lovely leather interior, which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day like today, or just for some fresh air. You also have a fridge compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. 10-inch touchscreen. Different suspension, higher for off-roading, in the middle for just general driving, or lower to make it easy to get in and out of the car. Different driving modes. Grass, gravel and snow, sand, mud ruts and rock crawl. And you can also see it changing in front of you there, and then push it back down for auto. You also have heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer, along with heated seats in the back, keeping all passengers happy. Different climate control zones, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone. A rear view camera with a 360-degree surround camera, which makes parking and reversing a lot easier. You also have ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark, and you can also change the brightness of it. Voice control, meaning if you press this button, you'll see or ask what you want, and you can do things such as change the radio or make calls, which saves you being distracted. Speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which is handy when driving along the motorway, along with the heated steering wheel and cruise control. This car's done 13,014 miles. You also have memory seats, which is handy if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system, making each journey more enjoyable. Here you can close your wind mirrors electrically, which is handy if you're in a tight area or parking space. Save them getting damaged. And stepping back outside the vehicle. That was a stunning Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.